In this video, you'll learn how to find the best cleaners on Wecasa. This guide will walk you through the steps needed to navigate the website and select a cleaner that meets your needs. Begin by opening your preferred web browser and navigating to the Wecasa website. Make sure you have a stable internet connection to ensure smooth browsing. Once the page loads, you will see various options related to the services offered by Wecasa. Next, look for the section labeled Wecasa services in our top cities. This section is usually prominently displayed on the home page. Click on this option to proceed. After clicking, you will be directed to a new page that highlights the various services available in different cities. On this new page, locate the option for cleaning. If you are in London, for example, click on Cleaning in London. This action will filter the available cleaning services specific to your city. You should see a list of domestic cleaners available in your area. Once you have selected the cleaning option, you will see a list of highlighted cleaners shown on the page. These are usually featured due to their popularity or high ratings. Take a moment to review the information presented for each cleaner, which may include their name, average rating, and a brief description of their services. To see more options, click on the button that says See More Cleaners. This will expand the list and show additional cleaners available in your area. As the new information loads, you may notice a loading indicator. Once the expanded list appears, you can scroll through to review more options. In the expanded list, pay attention to the ratings and reviews for each cleaner. These metrics can provide valuable insights into the quality of service you can expect. Take note of any specific services offered by each cleaner to ensure they match your requirements. This thorough review will aid you in selecting the best cleaner for your needs. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching, and catch you in the next tutorial.